Mia Forte, the first of its kind. To keep her job, she conceived
What's Mommy doing?
plans.
I'm pregnant.
Huh?
Lindsay Lohan in a new ABC Family original
What's
movie.
Mommy doing?
Labor
They
Pains.
feed him somewhere.